Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using this service. Mariner Finance, found at marinerfinance.com, offers a range of personal loan options. Their website serves as a hub for potential borrowers to explore different loan types, including secured and unsecured loans, as well as debt consolidation solutions. Mariner Finance emphasizes a personalized approach, highlighting the ability for customers to connect with local branch representatives for a more tailored borrowing experience. This focus on personal interaction suggests a commitment to understanding individual financial circumstances and providing customized loan solutions. They provide resources like financial calculators and educational materials to assist borrowers in making informed decisions. While the site doesn't explicitly list specific interest rates, it encourages potential clients to reach out for personalized rate quotes, likely based on individual creditworthiness and loan terms. Navigating the site is fairly straightforward, with clear sections dedicated to different loan products and contact information readily available. Mariner Finance aims to cater to a variety of financial needs with its diverse loan offerings and emphasizes the importance of face-to-face interaction throughout the borrowing process. They appear to prioritize building relationships with their clients through local branches, which may appeal to borrowers who value personalized service and prefer in-person communication. Remember, it's always crucial to thoroughly research and compare loan offers from multiple lenders before making a decision. Exploring the Mariner Finance website is a good starting point, but be sure to also consult with a financial advisor if needed to ensure the loan aligns with your specific financial goals. Understanding the terms and conditions, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules, is essential for responsible borrowing. With Mariner Finance's emphasis on local branches, connecting with a representative directly can provide further clarification and a more tailored understanding of their loan offerings.